Hello, friends. We've been talking about nonfiction books, books that are real, that teach us about things. So I thought I would read one today. And you can listen as I read and think about if you hear any, wow, I never knew that facts. Listen for wow facts. See if there's anything in here about woodpeckers. I picked something that you might not have as much schema on. I know a little bit about woodpeckers, but not a lot. We're going to talk about the nonfiction text features soon. All right, woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are birds with long, sharp beaks. Woodpeckers have long, sharp tongues. I don't think I knew that they had sharp tongues. Woodpecker feathers have many colors and patterns. Hey, so this one had like a reddish orange. And look, don't think I would have known that that was even a woodpecker. This one is called a downy woodpecker. This one was a red-bellied woodpecker. And this one was a red-headed woodpecker. Woodlands. Woodpeckers live almost everywhere in the world. Most woodpeckers live in woodlands. And it's showing us in orange areas where woodpeckers live. Look at all that orange on that globe. They live in a lot of places. Woodlands are covered with trees and shrubs. Woodlands are also called forests. Maybe you didn't know forests could be called woodlands. What woodpeckers do. Woodpeckers use their sharp claws to climb up and down trees. And this is the pileated woodpecker. I don't know if I said that right. Most woodpeckers drill holes in the tree and tree trunks with their beaks. Woodpeckers make a drumming sound when they drill. This one, that one we saw before with spots, is called the hairy woodpecker. You might have heard that drumming sound, the drrrr. It goes really fast. Woodpeckers eat nuts, seeds, insects, and fruit. This is our red-bellied one, but it doesn't have a red belly. Woodpeckers sometimes make nests inside trees. This one is called a common flicker. All right. I hope you heard something you didn't know. I did not know that woodpeckers have a sharp tongue. That's really cool. I wonder why they have a sharp tongue. I can't wait to hear about what you didn't know. I hope you enjoyed learning about woodpeckers. See you again soon.